morning. Nandito kami sa Parsa. Kaya hatid lang namin kay Asher sa school. At kami...
Mami, datang kawan dari undang sekedar look the blue one.
I like the red one.
Last time we already looked the one this back.
They won?
Ah, last time. They took it.
Alam nyo guys, dito sa A to Z, explain ko lang sa inyo, no. Pag bumili ka dyan ng gold sa kanila or something mobile, ganun, basta na-reach mo yung amount na hinahanap nila. Meron silang paraffle na gold, may paraffle sila na scooty, ganyan. Eh yung babae daw na yun, o nasa ano nila, nanalo daw yun ng scooty nung nakaraan. Ayan, no. Yun, yung blue scooty daw yung napanalunan niya nung nakaraan. Meron silang paraffle na ganyan dyan sa A to Z Mobile House. Kailangan ka lang mo ng malaking pera, something na nasa 30,000. Ganun yata yung kailangan mong gastusin para makasali ka sa raffle nila. So dito muna tayo guys, dadaan tayo dito para i-receive natin yung birthday gift ni Tonton galing sa kanyang lola. Para sa kanila ni Asher. Kaya bibilhan natin siya ng regalo. Ay, may dagdag. Ria. Ate, may Ria transfer dito sa amin. No? Auntie not here? Ah. Chapal. Hinugasan ko yung chapal niya guys kasi naihian niya. Ngayon ayaw niyang isuot kasi nga uwet. Nandito kami, bibilhan namin siya ng kanyang gitara. Gusto niya ng gitara eh. Ayan. Bibilhan din natin si Asher. Pero mamaya pagkalabas ni Asher sa school, yun yung kanilang gift galing sa kanilang lola. Yung kay Asher advance birthday gift niya. Gusto niya yan eh. O, see? Sabi ko eh. Yes, anak ko, that's for you. Ha? Yes nga. He likes nga that one. Meron kasi siya sa bahay, plastic, nasira. I will do it in the house then.
You try.
Because the other one is ukulele. Open? Open. You don't have any extra?
Small one.
No, that one ukulele.
Same dog.
This one guitar, the ukulele 4 string only. Ukulele has 4 string, guitar has 6.
Oi, come here. It's up to you, choose.
Do I need a basket?
Huh? No need a basket. Are you sure marshmallow you want?
Yes.
You said hungry, then marshmallow can enough. Huh? Where? Enough? Take this one. You are taking for the adding the one. Then you are this one. What else? For what? Why you to go upstairs? What up? What do you want?
This Cocoa Crunch here. Cocoa Crunch?
Yeah, so Cocoa Crunch.
I want a big basket. Got 2 is enough. One and two.
Why two? Not two, one enough. For what two?
Okay.
For what two? For what two?
I did need a new brush.
No need. You buy yourself. I think later you will buy. Finish? Finish? Let's go. Enough? Okay, let's go. Okay, you go cashier. Okay.
Hi guys! Bali katatapos lang namin mag-review ni Asis tuloy. Katapos lang namin mag-review ni Asher. At ngayon, as promise ko sa kanya na bibilhan ko siya ng kanyang piano kasi advance birthday gift sa kanya ng kanilang lola. What you gonna tell to Lola?
Thank you.
Thank you po!
Dad.
Thank you po!
Papo.
Oh, buti pa si Ali marunong magpo. Thank you po na
Thank you po.
Ayun, thank you po. Thank you po Lola. Advance birthday gift ni Asher. Tapos yun nga si Tonton din binilhan na namin kanina yung kanyang gitara. So punta tayo sa kanila guys. May nakita na ako dun pero titingnan pa rin natin kung magustuhan niya yung piano.
hair ko ayo.
So see you.
Better je.
We will try this one. Come here. You want that?
I'll try this.
Yes, try. Yes, that one electronic. You can put it in the electric. And there's a mic. There's a mic also. At the end. That one mic. Why you need to carry that chair? Oh, sit down. Okay, sit down. Yeah. Mm. Ah, that's a cat. That's a cat. Adore. No, don't step that one. They will get angry. It will get dirty. That one, anak ko, dress for girl. For girl, that one. Yeah. Also a battery. It can work with battery. Why? Parang may kasal doon. Oh. I think anak ko wedding. Yes, wedding. This one wedding. Oh, let's go. Let's go check Dada piano. Pia, piano.
It's gigantic.
Drone?
Yeah? No. Yeah, not drone. This drone. It's gigantic.
No.
Love here already.
360. Tonton, ayaw niya lang bitawan yung doll. Give me! Tinanggal niya sa plastic. Ayaw niya nang bitawan. Give me this one. Put in the plastic, anak ko. Tonton, put it in the plastic. Come on.
You want to buy this?
Dayo.
See?
Ayaw. Put it in the plastic, baby. We need to return. Ayun. Pwede siya sa battery, pwede siya sa electric. You like it? What? Do you like it? Yes. Matagal niya na ano.
तो मसला गई तो पसंद है अंदर मकसद
Come, give me this one. Put it in the plastic. We'll return. We're not gonna bring home, okay? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, bear. Bye-bye, bye-bye, baby.
Bye. That's
So yan guys, nandito kami sa Mayruchi at i-treat ko sila ng pagkain. Yun ang sabi ni ate. I-treat ko daw ang aking mga boys. So in-order ko ay, syempre ang paborito ni Asher, pizza, at saka yung french fries wala pa. So para sa kanya lang to, kaya yung medium lang ang in-order namin, hindi large. Sa kanilang dalawa ni Tonton actually. At dahil nga, di ko alam kung anong nangyayari sa akin ay medyo giniginawa ko. Ayan, coffee tayo
Go
guys.
spread to the pizza.
Did you wash your hands, anak ka?
From there.
Yeah? Okay. Yan, so magkape-kape muna tayo guys. Ang sarap ng pizza nila kasi tingnan nyo, oh, napaka-cheesy. Oh. Yeah. No, tingnan nyo yung cheese, oh. Tingnan nyo yung cheese.
Huh?
Ay, grabe yung cheese.
Boyo.
Boyo. Ay, naku. Hala ka. Napakainin ko itong mga anak ko, guys. Yung baby niya. You will eat pizza. Wait lang, I will give you. Kainin ko si Tonton. Tingnan nyo naman ang cheese. Ay. Papada, ano? There's no fork
That's
there.
That's not stretchy.
Ayan ko. Para lumamig yung pagkain ni Tonton. Umorder kami ni Asis ng ng butter naan. Sarap kasi ang butter naan nila dito, guys. At saka chicken chili. Bali, ito na yung magiging hapunan namin. Bali, treat to ni ate. Yung lola nila, Asher. Na nagbigay ng birthday gift niya kay Tonton.
Put some sauce. Where's my water? Only this. Just water?
Little only. Yan. Para lumamig ang pizza ni Tonton. Can I taste, anak ko? Parang ang sarap. You don't like?
I want to taste, but you need
Eat niya. And dumating na yung french fries, yung Oreo milkshake ni Asher, yung kay Tonton wala pa. Chicken chili. Yun, kain.
Someone brought my friend.
Wala pa yung butter naan. So, ayan, kain tayo, guys. Kaya sa isang dating ng mga in-order namin.
I'm making this mayo.
I don't remember, Papa.